How to be a Shopee drop-off point. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to be a Shopee drop-off point. First, open your web browser and search for Shopee drop-off point. Then click on the first link that appears in the results. To become a Shopee drop-off point, you need to follow a set of procedures provided by Shopee. Typically, Shopee partners with convenience stores, logistics companies, and other businesses to establish drop-off points. So, you need to contact Shopee or visit their website to understand the requirements and qualifications for becoming a drop-off point. Ensure that your business meets the necessary criteria set by Shopee. This might include having sufficient space for storing parcels, internet connectivity, and accessibility for customers. Reach out to Shopee through their website, customer support channels, or designated partner registration forms to express your interest in becoming a drop-off point. Provide relevant details about your business, including location, operating hours, and any other requested information. If your application is accepted, you may need to sign a partnership agreement with Shopee. This agreement will outline the terms and conditions of your partnership, including responsibilities, commission rates, and any other relevant details. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.